Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship,
Yes.
my Lord, we filed one writ petition on Monday. It's a very urgency, my Lord. The appointment will start from today, from 4th December to 18th December, my Lord.
Regarding?
Regarding the appointment of a pharmacist, my Lord, and the health department.
Monday, why is not listed?
My Lord, yes. There's an urgency, my Lord. Kindly take up this matter, my Lord. Yes, my Lord. At the end of the vote, my Lord.
I beg to mention item number 32. I want to
Yes,
withdraw that petition, my Lord. I have already put up a petition.
Withdraw?
Yes, my Lord. 33.
Whose other side? Why it's been compromised?
No, I think chances are
They are not pursuing the matter anymore. No longer now.
Both the parties.
yes. No, I have submitted application for withdrawal.
32 and 33.
Yes,
My Lord.
33 is the appeal. Main
You
case.
also want to withdraw.
No,
No,
no.
he is not.
32 you want to withdraw.
Well, automatically, contempt can be closed. No?
Yes, take down MS case TRP 2224. This application bring for withdrawal of the civil revision being number CRP number 15 2024. Next paragraph. Mr. ACE submits that the application filed for withdrawal as the withdrawal is same not objected to by Mr. CJ, the counsel for the respondent. As such, miscase is allowed. Miscase the civil revision application is allowed to be withdrawn. Yes. In the mean civil, in view of the order passed in miscase number 22, so matter stands closed and disposed of at close on withdrawal. All other miscases also stand disposed of. And in view the next in contempt case item 32, in view of the order passed item 33, contempt also stands closed
My Lord.
and disposed of.
My Lord.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item 37. Praying if it can be taken up next week, Lordship, because of ill health. I got in a position to.
Yes.
I'm having some ill health, Lordship. I was required to take some instructions. I couldn't take some instructions.
If you adjourn it, it'll go to 25. Take your call. Either you do it today or you adjourn it, then
Lordship, I have it next after vacation. Then.
yes,
No objections.
after vacation.
Obliged.
Right, please, Your Lordships. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 38. Your Lordship, I pray that the matter may come up after vacation.
We have no objection. We have no objection.
After vacation is
Obliged.
yes, make it quick.
I beg to mention item 41, Your Lordship.
41.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Abdul Salim.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Pray for after vacation, Your Lordship.
After vacation. They happen.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yeah, there also. Yes, yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 35, 36, and 39, and 40, Your Lordship. It's a connected matter, Your Lordship.
35, 36 and
35, 36, 39.
35.
35, 36, 39, and 40, Your Lordship.
36, contempt.
Yes, Your Lordship.
39,
And 40, Your Lordship.
all connected.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, connected.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
I beg to mention item 42. I'll inform Mr. Devnath is not here yet.
You inform whom?
Mr. Devnath, he's not here yet.
After vacation, yes.
Obliged.
Please, Lordship. So I beg to make mention item 44, Lordship.
Item?
44, Lordship.
Item 34.
44, Lordship.
Whose other side?
State, sir, Lordship.
You inform them?
Oh, Lordship. There are two connected matters, Your Lordship, which is fixed in the orders. They are similar matters, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. There are two connected matters. It's regarding the same issue, EC matters, Your Lordship.
The same matters in two courts.
No, Your Lordship, it's in this court, Your Lordship.
What is
Your Lordship, it's about some
23 and 24, Your Lordship. VC matters.
23?
23 and 24.
24 and 44.
Yes, in orders.
Please be clear. What do you want?
Your Lordship, I'm praying that this matter will
Item
fix.
44.
Yes, Your Lordship.
44, you want? You have any objection? What 44 is connected to other matters which are pending for this court?
Yes, Your Lordship. Item 24 and 44 is with regard to the VC elections.
So, who's then 24? You are there.
No, Lordship. In 41 and 44, we are both for the petition.
Bid petitioners, Lord.
You are there.
Yes,
23, 24. That's in the order stage.
Your Lordship.
Let it come up. Then it's connected to 44
Yes, Lordship.
and 41.
Not 41,
44
Lordship.
only, sir.
24, 44. Because, Lordship, in the last order, Your Lordship had directed for item 24 and 44 to be taken up together.
Okay, why you want adjournment 2024?
No, 2024 we're not seeing as.
Okay, then we'll take it out. Let it come. Yes. Fine.
Item number 1.
Lordship, here service report is awaited, Lordship.
No, what service report awaited? See last order.
Yes, Lord, notice was issued, Lordship.
Your Lordship, we had to bring instructions, Your Lordship.
What instructions you have regarding the
Your
election
Lordship,
process?
Your Lordship,
Was it held free and fair?
it
Already
was,
said there were
it
two
was fair.
boxes.
No, Your Lordship, nothing as such. There were 2 boxes, Your Lordship, sealed. Both the boxes were sealed, Your
Please
Lordship.
keep the voice down.
Your Lordship, he contested. He was one of the candidates. After he failed to succeed, Your Lordship, he has brought up all these allegations, Your Lordship. 7 block officers were also present, Your Lordship.
See, Mr. Sheikh, if you make false allegations, you'll pay heavy cost.
Lordship, let them to file affidavit, Lordship.
Why follow? That's why last time you were really agitated, saying that
Yes, Lordship.
all your votes had been
That-
dumped into one box. Now
That
now
was-
you're at peace.
No, Lordship. That is the allegation, Lordship. That is the original
You
fact,
maintain
Lordship.
allegation.
That is the original
You
fact.
stand by
Lordship.
allegation.
No.
Do you stand by allegation?
No, I'll have the copy of
No. Do you stand by allegation that this happened?
My lord, that is the instruction, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I'll get the
See,
copy
if you
of
don't
the-
get proper instruction and file petitions, then
My lord,
you
if they-
can't just take the abuse the process of court
Lordship,
to
true,
intimidate your respondents.
Lordship, if they give the copy of the report, that instruction, Lordship, I can have the instruction from my client, Lordship. Accordingly, I can take a step, Lordship.
You have heard what GA said.
There were police personnel also, Your Lordship.
Then whoever this person is will have to pay a very heavy price. Office note indicates that a notice on 74 not complete. Stop. MS Eiling 1 instructions. Another GA submits that he has obtained instructions that the elections were held in a free and fair manner, and none of the illegalities that have been alleged ever occurred, inasmuch as common officials, apart of police personnel, were present during the election. It is further submitted by the GA that the writ petitioner, being a successful candidate, has brought about these baseless allegations. Stop. List the matter after 1 week. Yes, for further orders.
Obliged,
Now you've heard that, you've seen the order, you ask your...
Can I have a copy, Lordship, from the other side, Lordship?
What copy?
That the instruction, so that according...
It's there in the order now. It's there in the order now. That's why I've just recorded submissions. So then if it's not, then Mr. Sheikh.
Item number
What
2.
I pray, Lordship, let it come after vacation so that I can have a proper instruction. Accordingly, I will take a step,
1
Lordship.
week. We can't let these matters.
Obliged, Lordship.
As we are swift to come to court will be swift in,
Masam.
Yes.
May it please your Lordship.
What happened in the meeting?
Lordship, kindly have Lordship, kindly see we have sent a clarification, Your Lordship, on 20th November 24, Your Lordship. Next page, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Okay. Then you keep to the union. You keep it.
You give us also.
Take.
Huge amounts.
Lordship, yes.
26
Lordship,
crores, 43 crores, 48 crores, 26 crores, 43.
Lordship, kindly come to Annex 1, Your Lordship. That is the remark.
Now, amount comes to how much?
Lordship, where?
Amount 118 crores.
118 crores, Your Lordship, yes. For 3 districts.
Yes. Yes. Minutes of the meeting.
Lordship, yes. This is the clarification, Your Lordship.
Where's the clarification?
Annex 1, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to Annex 1, Your Lordship.
What annexure one of?
Of that letter, Your Lordship.
There's no mark annexure.
No,
the letter dated 22nd August.
On top, Your Lordship. Lordship, after the letter of 20th August 24, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Then Lordship, can you on top, there
Minutes
is
of meeting,
Annex,
video
Your
conference.
Lordship, yes.
This is, sir. Are you sure I have the right documents? This.
Yes, yes. Yes, Your Lordship, this is the one.
One annexure one, this one. Okay,
Lordship, yes. Lordship, kindly see query whether the demand is for land compensation issues or for damage or cost to the villages due to construction of Indo-Bangladesh border fencing. Lordship, kindly see to the remark submitted by letter so and so. Para 3C state that the amount referred to the estimated land compensation for border fencing in South West Karo Hill from so and so amounting to so and so.
Yes.
Then Lordship, kindly see West Karo Hills, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to that remarks, Your Lordship, ask remark by so and so. Para 3B state that
Same estimated land
Lordship.
for border fencing, yes.
Lordship, yes.
This land's already been taken over.
Lordship, yes.
Fencing's already been done.
Madam, my instruction is that, madam, after this matter, the government of India is again written back to the state government, saying that the copy, they've asked for the copy of the final award by the collector. That the state is to submit. Then we'll examine.
The thing is that, see, this is regarding land which was never compensated at all. Because along that line where the earlier fence existed,
yes.
you augmented the fence again. And that is why this land is taken. That's why people are here for the support. And they are standing in line to get a huge amount of money now.
Can you share that your letter with us?
What letter?
The letter that I just received, Mr. Sundar, the government has asked them award statement.
Anyway, take down. Mr. Andy Shulai Leonard AG with so and so today has produced a communication, a covering letter dated 3rd December 2024, which contains a letter dated 20th November 2024 from the Secretary to the Governor of Meghalaya, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, to the Ministry of Home Affairs, wherein the details as to the land that had been taken for border fencing and the amount of compensation requested has been detailed. It is submitted by Leonard AAG that accordingly, the state government is awaiting further action from the part of the union government. Stop. Next paragraph. Ms. Dr. N. Mozika, appearing for the union, submits that on receipt of they have received this one. That means it's on receipt of the on receipt of the details. The Ministry of Home Affairs has further requested details with regard to the compensation that have already been awarded in these cases, if any.
They have asked basically the award statement.
Yes, yes. Asking
Okay.
that is on receipt submit on these details. The union, the Ministry of Home Affairs, has asked the state government to provide the award statement to the collector, if any. Yes. Next up, as matters this stage, this matter of vacations.
Lordship. Only Lordship, my friend will share that copy with me, Your Lordship.
Dr. M. Muska will provide instructions, if any, on affidavit if necessary.
2 to 12, Your Lordship, then 28, 29, 30.
Copy of this communication is taken on board and made part of the record.
Lordship.
Yes.
2
and
to
marked
12.
As X. Yes.
2 to 12, Your Lordship, then 28, 29, 30.
Note down.
Apply.
13.
So at least it's moving somewhere. At least it's moving somewhere.
Lordship, this item 13, Lordship, I have received instructions like that the parties have received their compensation. Lordship. So nothing survived, Lordship.
And Mr. Tidahar submits that the two petitioners, the petitioners
representing the cultivators, Lordship.
The petitioners representing the cultivators have since received the compensation. And as such, submit that nothing survives for consideration. This is correct. Accordingly, in view of submissions made by the General Counsel petitioner, the matter is closed as being infructuous and according to disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
14.
The contempt matter.
My Lord, I'll be entering appearance on behalf of all the officials, my Lord, the respondent here. My Lord, my instruction is, my Lord, DPC has already been constituted. I believe my friend can also clarify. He has been promoted, my Lord. There are 3 petitions before Lordship. 28th of November, my Lord.
I have taken instruction.
He has been promoted to the post of
If
superintendent.
They can just supply me a copy of the letter, I can communicate to them.
No, you ask your...
Yeah, I will
They
ask.
can have instruction because on 28th, my Lord,
But if that is the case, if there is a submission of my friend, then this matter can be closed down on the basis of the submission made by her, my Lord.
my Lord, may I have this matter day after tomorrow. I can place the minutes of the meeting, my Lord. Because I have been shared through WhatsApp. It's not very clear, my Lord.
On behalf of the respondents and submits that the petitioner has since been promoted and the orders have been complied with.
My Lord, direction was to hold DPC, my Lord.
The minutes of DPC.
Only to hold DPC, yes. But then in the DPC we have promoted, my Lord.
DPC before this court on the next date.
My Lord.
And this is matter day after tomorrow. Yes.
15. 15.
Yes, Mr. Kren.
Lordship, here the respondents number 4, 5, and 6 have filed their respective affidavit, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying that we may be
allowed. For 1, 2, 3.
Well, 1, 2, 3 is the district council.
District council, Lordship.
I'm for number 6, Lord. I've just filed.
Other day you appeared district council also. You engaged district council also, no? Who was the
Mr. Kinta was appearing in this. I will inform the council to make necessary.
Mr. Tidahar pays funds allowed 3 weeks time to file a jointers to the affidavits filed by the respondents 4, 5, and 6.
4, 5.
This accordingly and so and so.
Deeply obliged.
16.
But I'm praying for some more time.
Where's the petitioner? None appears for the petitioner. Stop next paragraph. But MSK please for further 3 weeks time to file affidavit. This is thereafter and so and so.
17.
I pray for another 1 week time, Lordship. 1 week time, Lordship.
1 month's time?
1 week, Lordship.
What's the matter about pension?
Yes, no, Lordship. This is some release of fund, Lordship, for the contract work, Lordship.
He said pension, he said yes.
Not pension, Lordship. This is for contractual bid. In the succession certificate, they have admitted, Lordship.
But SA please for further 1 week's time to file.
Otherwise, Lordship, let it come after vacation so that again.
Yes, after vacation.
Yes, Lordship.
18.
Your Lordship, this is that high tension where I have filed a small affidavit. In fact, my Lord, briefly, if I can apprise, now, my Lord, so far MECL Power Grid has sanctioned the money. MECL has started the work for realignment. Only thing remains the boundary disputes. Boundary, my Lord, reconstruction. No, reconstruction. I'm sorry, well. Now, what happened, Your Lordship? I have annexed all the papers. There was a inquiry. As per the inquiry, it categorically say in the presence of NERPC, categorically say the boundary has collapsed due to landslide. Now, thereafter, a letter was issued to NERPC, my Lord, to reconstruct by the Deputy Commissioner. Now, NERPC also, my Lord, on the same day, they contacted my Lord CPWD, who do the work for a survey and for filing an estimate. Now, they have filed an estimate amounting to rupees 12 lakh something. That money is also deposited in October by NERPC. Why they are not commencing the work? Now, what is happening, my Lord, MECL cannot proceed further because of this. And I'm still on my house.
Who's supposed to do execute?
My Lord, there are two issues, my Lord. One was shifting of high tension line. So there are 3 central government offices there, my Lord. So they've all contributed and money has been sanctioned and paid out. Second part is the boundary wall, my Lord. Now boundary wall has fallen because of their.
Okay, forget.
But in spite of that, my Lord, in spite of that, we have sanctioned the money. Awarded, asked the CPWD because CPWD is the executing authority, my Lord.
Why is not building the wall then?
They'll do it, my Lord. It will take some.
Let them comment, my Lord. Festivals are coming, my Lord. I am out of my house. Let me go back my home.
The house is still under construction, my Lord. My Lord,
I am staying there,
my Lord, only observation is required for Lordship. My Lord, they'll do construction in a responsible manner, my Lord. Because as I pointed out, my Lord, the wall.
Then your Lordship will go to the inquiry report.
The wall has collapsed on our side, my Lord, and the wall has damaged our building, my Lord.
No, because it will collapse on your side because your house below.
My Lord, what they've done, my Lord, they are dumping everything by the boundary.
Lordship will go to the inquiry reports. In their presence, they should have challenged that inquiry report. They have never challenged.
No, don't get technical. I think that you.
Our cooperation, my Lord. I am saying one thing: full cooperation.
For, that's all. Like.
Lordship will say cooperation. We will cooperate, my Lord. There is no question not cooperating.
Their land is on a higher altitude, my Lord. They have to be responsible, my Lord. They can't even damage the other's property also.
There is no question of damage. We have not, but full cooperation, my Lord.
Are you building a palace, are they?
Lordship?
Are you building a palace?
No, my Lord. Not that. We cannot afford that. We cannot afford that. I am a humble lawyer, your Lordship.
Engaging big lawyers for maybe palace.
Humble lawyer, your Lordship says. Cannot afford.
Humble is only in court. For lawyers, not outside. Yes.
Page 8 will do. The papers I submitted on the last day, my Lord.
Yeah.
I submitted a comparison the last week.
Yes, yes.
Page 8, your Lordship kindly sees, my Lord. That is the construction carried out.
Affidavit, what he says.
Affidavit, Lordship will come Annexure A. Annexure A is the inquiry conducted by the district administration. This was done on 21st August 24. If I can read it, my Lord.
Yes. See, Mr. Dormosika, this in Shillong happens all the time. These collapse of walls.
But that is because they are dumping everything by the side. It is not a retaining wall, it is simply a boundary wall for fencing purpose only. Now they dump all construction material by the side of boundary wall, my Lord.
Yes. Yes. What do you want today?
But the matter may be closed.
Yes.
No,
See if
Lordship,
it's-
may not be closed, Your Lordship. Lordship
Why not?
will direct, Lordship
Close
will
it and
commence the work immediately, Your
But only one observation, my lord, that even the
cooperation,
petition-
my lord will not say, my lord, I have negligence, full cooperation, that much,
Yeah,
Your Lord, all I
responsible,
do.
my
No, my lord. Lord,
This matter was brought before the
inquiry
court.
has not reflected that I am irresponsible, Your Lordship.
In future, they are
Cooperation,
responsible
cooperation,
as-
we are extending, nothing else.
May not record who's responsible or who's not.
My lord, should not go there.
Yes, the matter has been brought for this court by the petitioner, praying that with a prayer to direct the respondents MEECL, comma, then NERPC, that's North-Eastern Regional Power Committee, Power Grid Corporation, for removal of the high tension electric poles and 33 kV lines which skirt the premises land of writ petitioner, as well as for reconstruction of the boundary wall by the NRPC, which was damaged by a landslide. Stop. Next one. When this matter was taken up on the last date, the ERP, that's NRPC, NERPC, the NRPC bracket respondent so and so has produced materials showing that the landslide of the collapse of boundary wall has also affected the portion of its quarters,
Residential quarters.
of the residential quarters of the NERPC, and accordingly estimate has also been prepared for repair of the same, which has since been sanctioned, and work is to be executed by the CPWD. So, with regard to the other aspect, that is the shifting of the high tension poles and the 33 kV line, it has been submitted by the respondent power grid number
13.
Respondent number 13, that the said high tension poles will be removed and underground cabling is finished or still good be done?
It's ongoing. We have sanctioned the money.
Underground cabling.
Because of this, we cannot proceed further.
Underground cabling is works underway, for which money already been sanctioned.
To
MECL, what do you have to say?
We have sanctioned to MECL.
By you. Yes, is underway being and is being executed by MECL. Respondent number 2212. Stop. Next paragraph. In view of all these developments, it appears that whatever grievances that the petitioner had or harbored has been addressed.
Wall is not yet.
It is expected that the construction of the wall be completed expeditiously, as well as the other works of cabling or ducting, as shown in the materials cleared for this court. Stop.
My lord, only thing
Provided that all the parties should cooperate in the execution of these works and not to cause any obstruction or obstruction by dumping materials.
No, nothing like this. He has not even filed an affidavit. He has not even, has he filed an affidavit? Lordship only thing.
Please, Mr. Sir, don't get agitated. Why are you getting agitated? Why? What is there?
Only thing, Lordship
Court's not going to run away.
No, Lordship may not close this
It's
matter.
here only.
No, Lordship may not
Yes,
close
that's
the
all.
matter.
We'll close it.
No, Lordship, only my problem.
Yes, we'll close it. See, we're not going to keep this matter. Yes.
No, Lordship, only thing, my lord, the
See,
petition.
if you want me to go and stand as a policeman, I'll go at the gate.
No.
Yes.
We have already, my lord.
I have a humble submission. The shifting of the wires is not being done because of the filing of the writ. We were doing it much prior to it, so it may not set a bad precedent.
Yes.
In observation.
MM Shanning, regarding the cabling. Is being removed underground and cabling ducting work it's underway and being executed by MCL. It's also submitted. This is part of what are you saying?
Ashif, this sanction of money and the
yes, submitted that this underground cabling is not due to the. No, you cannot write that.
No, cannot. Otherwise, I would not have come before the court.
Our apprehension is that this order may not become a precedent where.
For what?
Lordship, anybody will come and say that do an underground cabling.
Okay. We'll take care of that. Yes, it's provided. They'll cooperate. Non-obstruction, cooperate non-obstruction in the execution thereof. Stop. As it is reported that. The underground cable ducting work is not primarily due to the incidents as reported. The same is noted, but part of regular what do you call it?
For our own ease of.
Yes, part of regular course of business of the respondent number 13. The same is noted and recorded.
Lordship, only thing, my lord, only thing, Lordship may not dispose of the matter. Why, my lord?
Nothing remains.
My lord, there are certain other issues, my lord, which are
my lord. What they want, my lord.
We don't want
Mr. want us to construct the retaining wall. My lord, they want us to construct the retaining wall.
As per your prayer, things have been done. So what more do you want? You want to go beyond the pleadings?
Not beyond.
Then?
19.
But some observation, but they'll behave responsibly.
Not even an affidavit has been filed. Not even an affidavit has been filed.
They'll cooperate, yes. Now we can't start finger.
Because basically they want us to construct the retaining wall, my lord.
They will have to secure their boundary.
For that,
should not happen.
They'll again demolish the boundary wall by doing something.
You have to construct retaining wall need there if it's to secure.
They have the higher altitude, my lord. They have to construct the retaining wall, not us.
Who says that? By what rule is that?
But the one who is possessing land on the higher altitude, they'll construct the retaining wall.
Lordship is in the direction of the Deputy Commissioner. They should have challenged that. Oblige.
We'll file a suit.
Yes.
19.
Lordship. Also, this respondents are yet to file the affidavit.
Lordship, the state has received instructions. We'll need a week's time to file.
Lordship, this is regarding that Masterol employees who was also registered as contractor. Lordship.
Lordship, the conducting counsel is Ms. S. Ain.
Yes?
The conducting counsel is Ms. S. Ain.
As paid for the 2 weeks time allowed affidavit test thereafter and so on. Yes, keep
Obliged.
20.
Well, on this matter, we are entering appearance on behalf of respondents 2 to 5. 2 weeks to file affidavit.
Yes.
The shop has been reopened, my lord. Unlocked. The shop has been unlocked, my lord.
Unlocked? Yes, you open your business now? You know, legal business, I hope?
Yes, my lord. It's legal.
Mr. T. Got entered appearance on behalf of the respondents 2 to 5. When such notice is complete, he placed funds allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit stuff. Prayers allowed. This is a matter of 2 weeks. Interim order is there?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, interim order. If any we shall continue next day.
Right.
Yes.
21.
My lord, we have taken steps on the respondents, my lord.
Which respondent?
Respondent chief.
One.
IDMCM chief. My lord. Number 4.
What about number 3?
Number 3, my lord, he's the headman, my lord. That was who have taken steps.
No, my lord, there is a very limited prayer in this writ petition also. If your lordship will come to page 8. The Lordship may be pleased to call for records, issue a rule calling upon respondents to direct the respondents to convene a village durbar.
But the headman has to be here.
Yes.
Has he been served?
But we have served. Lordship, allow us.
Served.
Lordship, we have already taken steps.
Okay, but has he been served or not?
The status reports issued.
Let me see.
But allow us to ascertain from the post office.
What's your name? Oh yes, MS Beating Door and appearance behalf of respondent before. However, service is not complete with regard to respondent number 3. So it is however submitted that as per status, respondent status report, as well as the respondent 3 has since received notice. And this is matter after
10 days.
Vacation, please. For further orders and for appearance of respondent number 3.
22.
Number?
Number 2 for the MPSC.
What about number 3?
May I please, Your Lordship? I'm a private respondent, Your Lordship. I would like to appear in person today.
What is your name?
Shimon Naurum Shulai.
What is the matter about?
So the matter is regarding my selection in the merit list.
When did you pass your graduate from law?
Sir, last
You come forward. So as per the advertisement, are you qualified?
Yes, Your Lordship.
How?
Your Lordship, as per the advertisement,
demand 3 years of practice.
It mentions the word preferably, Your Lordship, and it has been prescribed in various precedents also, Your Lordship, that the word prescribed is not mandatory, and in job
Preferably means what?
Preferably is different from mandatory, Your Lordship. I would like to put up one more submission if I'm allowed, Your
The thing is that preferably is when
Your Lordship, if I'm allowed,
all other candidates are similarly situated. That's
equally
all,
situated, yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to submit one more contention, the Union Public Service Commission also.
No, we don't wait. You're not here to appear at a gallery. You file your affidavit. We'll record your presence. Yes. Yes, MFPF Karwan Lang has appeared on behalf of respondent number 2, and the respondent number 3 has appeared in person and prays that he made out to represent himself. Prayers allowed. I'll list the matter of vacations for affidavit.
Lordship.
For the order, yes.
Apply, Your Lordship.
23.
Lordship, we've taken steps, Lordship, to the private respondent number, my Lord. On 26/11, my Lord.
What instructions do you have?
Lordship, in that, I have an instruction that on verification was carried out on 1st and 10th October. And during that time, it was found that 11th...
Once again, slowly.
11 job card holders were died, and one dual job card holder was dictated, and one government servant was dictated. So altogether, 11 job
Were those voters removed?
They were removed
from the voters list.
Yes,
in the day of the voting.
Yes,
since they stayed in a different place.
Yes, then it was put up in the notice board on the 14/10/2000.
So only the remaining voters voted.
Yes, Your Lordship. Then on to 14/10.
Put an affidavit now, and then we'll dispose it off after 1 week. Within 1 week. Now is
today is 4th, my Lord.
11th.
On Your Lordship, I think then we have to set up an inquiry committee based on the complaint filed by the.
No, you got instructions.
It was given 15 days time to file the report, so it may take some little more time.
So 15 will be when?
And
because as it is now, the court suspended the approval.
So
that any approval suspended for a time being, so it affects the working of these job schemes in the village.
Presently, my Lord has directed the concerned BDO to look after the affairs of the VEC, my Lord.
Whatever.
My Lord, yes, my Lord.
When?
Because the 15.
See when?
I think the first day when the High Court is opening, the first day of the High Court opening, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Abraham, on behalf of Respondent 5, submits that the the election was held in a free and fair manner, and the ineligible voters who had shifted or who had dual job cards were not allowed to vote.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Stop. However, he submits that as an inquiry has also been directly begun on to the
my
matter.
lord,
will be listed
interim prayer
after-
may continue, my lord.
The matter will be listed after vacations.
My lord. My lord.
For affidavit. Yes, accordingly, prayers are list after vacations. Interim order pass as a continue to the next date.
My lord, deeply obliged, my lord.
Hello, pledge of
24.
My lord. A similar issue, my lord. This is separate VC, my lord. Similar issue, my lord. This is separate VC.
No, my lord.
Same thing.
No, there is one issue, my lord, in these VC matters, because if your lordship will see, read petition, my lord.
We've taken steps to the private respondents, my
Your
lord.
lordship, kindly see one, just one issue which.
2811, my lord.
Kindly see, he is a candidate, he has lost by more than 100 votes.
Oh.
And he has obtained the stay, my lord, by saying that the job cards were not verified, my lord. Whereas we have got the status report, job cards have been verified, and he has lost, and then successful candidate, my lord, kindly see page 12, my lord. Page 12
So
of
this
this.
is underhand election petition.
So they all candidates
no
who are
verification,
who
my
losing,
lord.
all candidates
That
who
order
are
was, my lord, for the seeding of Aadhaar, my lord. Linking of Aadhaar to the job cards, my lord.
I think High Court direct one thing, that there will be one-man tribunal at the level of Deputy Commissioner who will...
And my lord has...
Your lordship can remand the matter to the
My
commissioner.
lord, in the last occasion, the motion stays has passed the
Because
order
they
on
are all,
2511.
They are all trying to
observed-
abuse the process of law, because in all these cases, those who participate lose numbers, and then they come and they
Yes,
come.
allegation Mr. Sheikh's case says that only one box and all his votes were dumped to the other box.
No, my lord, there is, kindly see, not a single line in the entire year. They say their entire, your lordship will
No,
see.
see, the thing is that the serious concern, Mr. RP General, is that they have brought materials on record to show that they're dual job card holders.
No, that
But
is
whether that has been-
misrepresentation, false representation, my
what?
lord. This is completely false,
Okay,
my lord.
let the matter continue, then they'll pay costs.
let the file that affidavit,
You file
my lord.
affidavit, will
Yes, my lord.
let the interim order continue till next
Yes,
day.
my lord.
Yes,
The
my
video
lord.
will look after.
Yes,
and
my
they-
lord.
They will pay costs.
Yes,
Just
my
file
Yes, my
your-
lord, because these are all incorrect statements. They have said that job seeding with Aadhaar, they are showing that verification is
Yes,
required.
Mr.
And-
Learned Advocate General, who's
And I have got
who's
this.
present, on behalf of the response 125, has submitted that this petition, as also the other petitions which have been filed, challenging the results of the VC elections, have been made with an oblique motive by the candidates who have not been successful. Stop. It is, and it has been categorically submitted that there has been a proper verification of the job card holders who would be voters.
Yes,
and further, the allegation that dual job card holders had voted is incorrect. He prays for allowed to bring the same by way of affidavit. List matter immediately on reopening.
My lord. In the meantime, stay.
Because the only problem is, Lord, is that they because of certain projects are held up because of the
video was there. He can video is looking after my lord.
because they ultimately say village development and village people
Yes,
can.
44 and Adam 44 as
44 is
connected
same.
to this after vacations.
Hello, oblige, my lord.
In this matter.
Hello, oblige.
Hearing 25.
Lord, I've just handed over my written arguments. Yes, parties submitted. All have submitted.
All
yes.
all.
Submitted some matters are reserved for judgment.
Oblige.
Deeply.
Oblige.
$26.
Yes. You filed something here?
Well, we have submitted the gist
Where?
of the written argument.
Today?
I'm not aware. I have not submitted yet, my lord.
My lord, but we have prepared last time. I
Last
requested my friend to submit. But my lord, since matter was not taken up last time.
We'll list after 1 week, we'll
My
pass
lord.
orders in open court. Ms. Arkoni prays for the law.
There is one difficulty because the item which is, there are two cases connected.
Yes.
The first
Only
item
the
number,
first
that
one.
is infractors, my lord. So we have to file only the second one, my lord.
Whatever.
It is still there, madam. For the matters.
After 1 week, yes.
Written argument.
We'll pass orders in open court, yes.
Give me your attention.
31.
What's the matter?
This is education department matter, madam.
Yes.
On last several occasions, the government has taken time saying that they are reviewing the policy, madam. The proposed
That's
policy.
still underway, my lord.
What policy?
But there are a lot of mistakes in these particular rules, in the language of the rules. So that is what is sought to be reviewed
the
by a
education
committee.
What is the 2020 matter?
Yes, my lord.
But it just comes from my bench because
It's been
I
recused
think
by
my
your
brothers
lordship.
have recused.
Lordship. It has to remain before lordship. It has to remain before lordship.
Also 2020. Yes.
What about any chance of reviewing this? Yeah, it's going on.
You've seen the note they gave last time, correct? You've seen this note, right?
We shared a copy.
You
We shared a
copy
copy.
that the rule 4 regarding commission strength senior school service grade, they need to look at that. Rule 6.3, schedule 2, rule 4, rule 4.1, subclassification. You take down, though as far back as in 18th April 2024, or as far back on 9 April 9th of April 2024, the respondents have held a meeting chaired by the Director of School Education, apart from other members, wherein the matters were discussed which had arisen in connection with instant repetition and other connected repetitions. It was observed in the said meeting that certain points in the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2012 were to be looked at and improved, as the same had led to different interpretations. Stop. The main issues were examined and identified, such as Rule 4, Rule 6.3, and so on. However, till date, it appears that the matter is still under process.
Before the committee, my lord.
Before the committee. In this view of these circumstances, it is expected that some definite outcome should be arrived at the earliest. This is matters after vacations for the orders. If they already going to amend it, then they should do it.
That taking
So,
very
my lord,
long.
the only issue what I understand, my lord, is they are praying in this petition for retrospective seniority. That is the only issue. If at all they are granted, they are treated at par.
That will be addressed.
My lord.
How far they are entitled to it?
Lord.
In fact, there is an order by this honorable court, and that has been accepted and implemented by them.
And there are two divergent orders. That's the only problem. That's what is creating a confusion.
From this court itself?
My lord. In one set of cases, it is from the date of entitlement. In the second series of cases, from the date of the actual appointment, which is in consonance with the Supreme Court decisions. So that is what is creating a little bit of confusion.
34.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Kurishi.
Lordship, this is the petitions filed by the petitioners praying for the salary which was not paid from the month of June 2021 till date means till the filing of the writ petitions. Here the petitioners sees the sanctioned teachers. Her appointment was as per page 14, annexure 4. This is a sanctioned teacher because the
Okay, wait a second. Just the order sheet is. Just the orders are this thick for the file. You ready?
Yes.
All are ready, correct? Yeah. Yes, Mr. Kurishi, what do you say?
Yes. Page 14, annexure 4. This is the letter issued by the Joint Directors, School Education and Literacy. The three persons, name of the three persons are here, teachers.
This is WC 49, no?
49, yes.
Yes. Page 14.
Page 14. Now, before that, this sanction teacher, this
is dated?
This is dated 18/9/2018.
Yes.
Now see, annexure 5 is also the order of the Honorable High Court. It is relevant in this case, just to show that earlier also I came before this court when the salary was stopped.
Annexure?
Annexure 5, page 15. In these writ petitions, WPC 464 of 2018, this Honorable High Court has directed that to release the salary, page 16, with effect from 1/4/2018 till ending August 2018. This order was not complied with, then there was application filed for contempt, which is page 17, annexure 6. And thereafter the order was passed. The salary of the petitioner was paid pursuant to the annexures 7, page 18, the contempt petitions. After the direction was given to pay the salary, then salary was paid.
Yes.
In these writ petitions which I filed, the appointment of the petitioner was not under the questions. They did not question. They said, yes, I am the sanctioned teacher, and salary was paid. Again, they have stopped the salary from the month of 2021. This order was passed in 2019.
What is the last annexure of your writ petition? Nothing there. The next one is Wakalat. Where you go referring to?
And last annexure, the page, there is one more annexure is there, annexure 8.
What is annexure 8?
This is the order passed by this Honorable Court.
Right.
So but it is admitted fact that I was paid the salary. They have paid me the salary.
Okay, they paid under orders of the court.
Under order of the court, yes.
One more, honey. Was heard earlier. Yes, Mr. Kurish.
Yes. Now the government filed an affidavit. This is the affidavit filed by the government because the different officers, they signed the affidavit.
Now, your appointment was on 18/9/2018.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, 18/9/2018.
Then on 3/12/2019 or 3/12/2018, you filed a petition alleging that you say 3/9/2018 is appointment.
This is the approval letter.
When were you appointed from? Where's the appointment management committee? Where's the letter? Where's the approval? Seeking approval.
This is the
annexure 1.
Annexure 1.
2. Okay.
Annexure 1.
Annexure 1.
Annexure 1 and annexure 2.
Annexure 1 appointed, that is in 27/2.
2010.
27
27 to 2010.
27, this is 2010.
10 years. Because the school came under the SSA in 2010.
27 to 2010, you were appointed by the managing committee.
Managing committee.
Correct.
Correct.
Okay.
Then annexure
2
is the
resolution so.
yes,
After Kutun.
provisionally approved.
Yes, that is in
17 January 2017. This is the two letters.
Okay, 17. So go in a chronological manner. 17, 17, provisionally approved.
Provisionally approved.
Okay, then
thereafter
you are teacher's representative also.
I am a teacher, yes.
Right. Then lecture 4, then that was the order whereby you were approved as language teacher.
Language teacher, yes.
Sanction teacher.
Sanction teacher. This is the order.
Right, 18-9. Right.
89.
Then you came to court on 2018.
2018.
That account with salary with effect from 1/4/2018 not paid.
Not paid.
Then court said, okay, fine, pay you.
Pay.
Fine.
Then
you not paid, then you came by contempt. Okay, and then finally salary was paid when?
Salary was paid.
When?
Because salary was paid for the reason I have stated that salary was paid till May 2021.
Till May 2021. You continued working that time.
Working there.
Okay.
And
then after what happened?
Since the month of June 2021, they have stopped the salary.
So since June?
Since June 2021, they have stopped the salary.
Okay. June 2021.
They stopped the salary.
Salary stop. Yes.
So this is my case only. That I was not paid.
That you're a sanctioned teacher.
I'm a sanctioned teacher.
Appointed by the managing committee in 2010. Provisional approval was given in 17. Then proper approval given in on September 18. Not paid a salary. Then move court. Still not paid. Move contempt. Paid.
Contempt paid, yes.
Till June 2021. Till May, sorry. And stop. Okay. Then what did you see in affidavit?
That is my prayer.
Simple case looks innocuous enough. Yes.
In the writ petition, I have not made any other prayer. My prayer is that the salary which I am entitled with effect from June 21.
Have you been teaching regularly?
Because right now in school, I am the sanction teacher. I am prevented by the other party not to attend the school. But
so for 21 to now, is sitting at home.
Because they are not allowing me to go and sign the attendance registers. Being I am a lady, I cannot fight with them also.
Being lady, you can't fight?
But with those people in the managing committee. But still we are willing to work if I am allowed.
But you have not made any prayer against anyone else?
No, there is a very, in my writ petitions, at that point of time, till the filing of the...
Where is the allegation that someone else, they have stopped you from working?
No, till the filing of the writ petition, there was no such situations. It is now only arisen. So this was a simple writ petition was filed that...
in June 21 now.
21.
And this... you filed it in February end 22.
22 I filed. June, we are waiting that maybe the lump sum sanction they have to grant. 6 months sanction together they have to grant. For that reason we are waiting. But in the month of 2022 I filed it. So this is my simple case. The salary is not paid.
Yes. Okay. Now what is in affidavit?
In the affidavit, I don't know government, because even if they say something, it is a principle of, they barred by the principle of waiver and estoppels. Because earlier...
What do you want to show just now?
They in the...
Show the facts first,
in
then the law will follow.
In the affidavit, what they said, the private respondents were the now secretary of the managing committee, stating that the appointment letter which I obtained to sanction letters is a fake. Then
No. Where an affidavit is a fake? Which affidavit?
It is a
by respondent number.
because there are many affidavit files.
No, consolidated one is together.
Yes, kindly show.
This is the first affidavit filed by the government. This is the affidavit filed by the government.
That is, sir. Okay.
It is filed by one of the officers, Victor's
Now what did he say?
solicitors. He says,
Okay.
copy the writ petition, accept. Is it denied? When to submit as per the record, the office record.
Yes.
In para 5, he's saying that
this is affidavit by government.
by the government.
Yeah.
He said the aberment in para 4 and 5 is denied. The defendant begs to state as per the record available in the office of the Joint District Mission Coordinator, SSA
Para?
Dadangiri.
Yes, para 5.
The appointment of the prisoner is found to be anomalous and not proper order. It is further stated as per the record of
See, it's clearly
teams.
stated, is first stated as per the records.
For the prisoner is not in a post of
Khatun is not the post of sanctioned teacher.
sanctioned teacher of Pobari schools, primary. As the appointment of the prisoner made by the managing committee, it is a duty of the managing committee to pay the salary. They said, I am not a sanctioned teacher.
Yes.
The same in para 6, it says that the department begs to state the joint mission coordinators, SSA Dadangiri, releasing the salary of the teacher to the account of the school, which is operated by the secretary president of the school, and it is the responsibility of the managing committee to release the salary.
Yes.
And again, they are saying that it is sanctioned to the money is released to the account of the managing committee. There is
Then
no.
next, what do you want to show?
They have not said. Suppose if it's not in order, in this affidavit, they did not say who are those sanctioned teachers, not highlighted anything, except the annexure which I'm relying upon, the sanctioned teacher. They did not say anything, neither denying nor saying anything.
Did the annex show anything to show?
No, they have not annexed anything in this
affidavit.
Simple an affidavit only.
Right. So they say that you're not a sanctioned teacher, you're a teacher managing
That
committee,
must said, but
they should pay you.
But not supported by any documentary proof that I'm not a sanctioned teacher. Again, perhaps the court asked some clarification from them. They filed an additional affidavit.
On?
Same, it is filed in 2022 only. What is which
So,
date?
this affidavit filed?
It's the,
29/7 they filed an affidavit. What is that?
affidavit, yes. Here is in para 2, it said that the Joint Mission Coordinator SSA Dadangiri West Garo Hills, Meghalaya, after scrutiny as alleged order purported issued by the IC District School Education Officers, Tura, 18/9/2018 has created the doubt in respect of the genuineness of the said order, whereby the Joint District Mission Coordinator addressed a letter to Sri B.G. Momin. He is saying that he asked the clarification sought for regarding one of the order given to you. Doubt mainly arise memo number where it is written as a memo SSA. Then he said the office has never issued this order, thereby requested to give a written clarification. They are asking the clarification from the person who already retired from the service.
Okay.
In favor of, no such order was given him in favor of the Afroza Khatun teacher, Pobari, girls
So now they're
SSA.
saying that it is a fake order.
It is a fake order.
And no such order was given
Found
in
at the-
favor, in your favor, as a teacher. Okay, then?
Then verbally inform the
Now
managing
he said that
committee.
during his tenure, there was
So
never
this,
give.
this is the stand taken by the
Yes.
this is the person's. Maybe the person, the officer who filed an affidavit not conversant with the facts, because he is because he's from Shillong.
Please, Mr. Kureshi, we are looking at the what they've said in affidavit. Okay.
Yes, yes, FU.
And that. And this 18/9 is fake.
89 fake.
Okay. Yes, fake. Okay. Next, what do you want to show?
Next, affidavit filed by the managing committee. The managing committee filed the affidavit in oppositions.
The first one.
First affidavit. So for the
That is 2nd of June.
2nd of June, yes.
Okay.
Suppose it is submitted that the petitioner was not included in any list which contains the name of the teacher appointed against the sanctioned teacher. It is unfortunate that the petitioner, paragraph 5.
1 second. Slowly, we have lots of time.
To substantiate the claim, C is holding a sanction post of the teacher has
Para
enclosed. Para 5.
That reply women's also not included in this.
He made a stand that the annexure 4 of my writ petition is a fake order. Is a fake order. So in this affidavit filed by the private respondent also not disclose who are those 3 sanctioned teachers. If I am not there, they have not stated any of the sanctioned teacher in their affidavit. That is very important. They have not said. So that was the stand taken by them. And in the meantime, the court has asked 2 questions to them.
What's annexure A and B?
Annexure A be the attendance register, managing committee.
Affidavit.
Affidavit, yes.
This is the clarification given.
The court asked them, well...
now we just finished this affidavit. Okay, next, which affidavit only show?
No affidavit is showing.
No, what next want to show now? We have looked at 2 affidavits of the state.
Yes.
One affidavit, all of them saying fake.
Fake.
Okay, now next.
So this is a stand taken by this private respondent.
What are other affidavits? What about this additional affidavit to bring on record proper education filed by respondent number 6,
yes.
22/9/22? What is this?
Before that, I just may like to submit
Yes.
that based on the affidavit filed by the state respondent and the private respondent, the court has asked them whether you have taken, if you are alleging that these sanction letters issued by the department is fake, whether you have taken any actions. The first asked by the government whether you have taken any action, whether any police case was filed since you are telling it's a fake. Then the state respondent came and clarified that we cannot take the action. I cannot take the actions. Then it is a managing committee who will take the action. The managing committee was asked, this is judicial orders.
Yes,
whether
okay.
you have taken any action, he said, no, I have not taken any action.
That's the point, yes.
That's it. So they are barred by principle of estoppel and waivers because they have not taken any actions alleging the fake. Now, after this, I file my rejoinders. After I become rejoinders, the rejoinder is filed only after obtaining the informations on the RTI Act from the department.
Rejoinder dated 1710.
1710, yes. In para 5, I have stated, it is submitted the approval order issued under memo number so and so, issued by the joint directors.
At para?
Para 5 was relating to the appointment and approval of 3 teachers, namely, because suppose if the order is a fake, then my name should be there only, alone.
One thing, Mr. Kurishi, what's the problem with your case now is, the merit petition only concerns your payment of salary.
Only salary.
But then after the affidavit was filed by the
state respondent
saying that your opponent is fake, it's taken a different dimension altogether.
Yes.
So whether the pleadings of your case salary will cover this, can the court mold the relief such an extent that apart from paying salary
for
only
that reasons, Lordship, last time we have heard. Why? Because here the informations under the RTI Act given in my favor. Subsequently,
submitted so and so, the approved order did so.
Because I was also in the managing committee also.
Yes.
And
this you received by RTI?
RTI, yes.
Para 5.
Para 5, yes. In Para 5, I got RTI, annexure E. This is the RTI which I obtained.
Appointment genuine.
Genuine. They said genuine.
Yes. So you say that you're a sanctioned teacher.
I'm a sanctioned teacher.
Teaching language. Okay.
Language teacher.
Then?
Because suppose
where's that annexure? Where you receive the information?
Yeah, this is the letter.
In your affidavit?
And page 14, no, page 19, Annex E.
Of your affidavit?
Of my rejoinder. This is information I received.
1 second, page 19.
Page 19, E, and there is on the reverse the page number 20. In 20, it is clearly shown that I am the sanctioned teacher. Because the order was not issued in my favor alone, because I, along with 2 more teachers, as a sanctioned teachers. If that appointment is fake, then it means it is a fake for them also. The 2 more teachers, they are fake.
Yes.
So this is the information I received.
Okay. Then what happened?
Then after that, the government again filed an affidavit file against this.
Against?
But here the officer file is different. Is a Rajendra Kumar Hajong. It is some other officer file.
Filed on 29/3.
29/3.
So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 affidavits.
4, 5, many affidavits.
Wait, regional affidavit, additional affidavit again filed on. So I won't get confused. 32023. What did he say there?
They are saying in para 5 that the defendant begs to submit in view of the contrary claim by the parties that is deponent himself and other official of the defendant went to the spot inquiry to Pomari Upgrade Schools SSA UP 16/2/2023. It is found that the petitioner was absent from the duty. Now they have changed the stand. They said I am absenting from the duty, and subsequently produced 2 different teachers' attendance register. One submitted by the previous headmaster, where 2 teachers' names are reflected, Sri Afzal Haq and Afroza Khatun. Both the teachers have signed the register with effect from 19 till 21.
Yes.
Then whereas the second teacher attendance register produced, submitted by the present headmaster, where all the teachers' names are reflected in the register except the name of the petitioners, with effect from 2019, number 2022. The scrutiny of the first teacher attendance register indicate the petitioner was present in the school during the period from 2019 to March 2021, which indicate the petitioner was periodically absent. It is a duty with effect from April 2021 out of intimations or informations during the period existing headmasters. In view of the facts and circumstances, the deponent respectfully submit that petitioner was periodically absent from the duty with effect from April 2021 without any information to the school managing committee as per the claim of the petitioner for the entitlement salary till date is up to the Honorable Court for justification in the instant case. Now this instant they have changed. Earlier they said fake. Now they said no, because I am absenting, I am not attending my duty. So
now 2 registers. That means in the first registers you've signed from January 2019 to
March
21.
It is.
That means even going by the flow of facts, that means that you worked till 21.
21, and because the new managing committee was constituted, and the secretary didn't allow me to attend the school.
Then what did, okay, fine. Then next.
Next.
So that one is somebody absent from school. So. Okay. Then.
So this is the case only they have filed. Then after that, what happened? I do not know.
What about this affidavit filed by?
By the private respondent. Private respondent also, in a similar way, file an application under the RTI and obtain the informations saying that he is a sanctioned teacher.
That is 30/10/23.
Yes, it is there.
Paragraph?
Paragraph.
131, yes.
Just begin. Very short affidavit, they said. They said the deponent appointed a headmaster of the schools. Then.
Which paragraph?
The appointment deponent was previously approved. He's then, because he's the secretary of managing committee, now he started saying that, as per the informations which he received.
Which paragraph? That is
6.
Okay,
paragraph 6 in the affidavit. The issue was raised by the prisoner in course of the hearing that the deponent is not the sanctioned teachers of the school. Hence, the department sought an RTI information from the competent information wide RTI application dated 26/9/2023 during the pendency of the writ petitions, and to provide the information to the deponent, which was furnished later dated 3/10/2023, wherein the deponent has shown as the sanctioned teacher, the headmaster, social teacher of the school, and his name is reflected as serial number 1, and also information was furnished by the deponent is receiving the monthly salary, which is credited to the account of the.
Where reading from para 6?
Para 6 of the last affidavit filed by the private respondents. It was filed on.
Which one second?
It was on 31/10/2023. Against the RTI application filed by the private respondents, getting information in his favor, showing that he is a sanctioned teacher, then I file a clarification. I file an affidavit, reply to the affidavit filed by the respondent 6. The clarification which I had, how he obtained the information by suppression of facts, enclosing the letter of the departments. Denying that the Tosafuddin, he was never appointed. He was not a sanctioned teacher at any point of time.
Now your rejoinder.
My rejoinder, it is the reply to the affidavit. It was filed on 8/2/2024.
Okay.
In para 7, I stated, the statement made in para 6 of the affidavit filed on 30/10/2023 is not correct, hence denied. In reply, it is stated, Sri Tosafuddin Ahmed misled the block mission coordinator Silsila blocks. Para 7.
Paragraph 6.
Paragraph 7. 7. Misled. Obtained the alleged information wherein the name of the prisoner was omitted. Moreover, the information supplied to the deponent Tosafuddin is not based on official record. The earlier information supplied to the petitioner by the administrative account officer, SSA West Garo Hill, Tura, as per Annexure E of the rejoinder, the petitioner was correctly shown as a sanctioned language teacher and the deponent Tosafuddin as non-sanctioned teacher. The petitioner immediately addressed a letter dated 27/11/2023 to the district mission coordinator, SSA West Garo Hills, for clarification. In reply, the district mission coordinator clarified white letter so-and-so, dated 8/11/12/2023, clarified that the claim of the deponent, Sri Tosafuddin, is false and he, by misleading the block mission coordinator, obtained the information in his favor. Furthermore, the administrative account officers, West Garo Hills, is reply to the RTI of the petitioner's case, again clarified white letter dated 8/12/2023 that there was 3 sanctioned teachers in the said school, Sri Afzal Haq, social science, and Hashima Mumtaz, science teacher, and Sri Afroza Khatun, language teacher. Hence, the deponent Sri Tosafuddin nowhere found as a sanctioned teacher in the said school. It is reiterated that the claim of the deponent Tosafuddin is as sanctioned teacher is false and baseless, and the face of record is non-sanctioned teacher. This is the letter we obtained from the department, official letters. Here the Tosafuddin Ahmed is the person who want to grab that post, but there is no sanction, no letter was ever issued in his favor that he is a sanctioned teacher. He was a 4 teachers in my rejoinder, I have already enclosed, and that also was cancelled in my rejoinder.
In the annexure G and H. Is that very difficult.
In my rejoinders is a page 21 and annexure F. The letter issued cancellation of the provisional approval.
Your rejoinder.
Rejoinder.
At page 6, the last rejoinder, annexure G.
Last rejoinder regarding Tosafuddin.
Regarding here, regarding claim, see, Tosafuddin Ahmed, being orders issued, clarified since basis orders to be issued by this office, right?
As per the teacher attendance registers, they said
Yes.
he is hereby cancelled. He is approved cancel. No, he is not having a
cancellation.
This is the annexure F, page 21. My first rejoinder. Clarification of provisional approval of Sri Tosafuddin Ahmed, memo so and so, the 20th December 2021. As per the teachers' attendance registers, the teacher and the complaint of SMS President Secretary Tosafuddin Ahmed is 5 non-teachers. The
Wait, the court hasn't found the affidavit yet.
No, the rejoinder, my rejoinder.
Yes, simple for you, but 76.
Page 20.
1 second.
Page 21.
So, where's the salary going all this time?
The salary, I don't know how the salary is going, where it is going, whether it is lying in the account of the managing committee or it was drawn by them, that's not known. But the sanction, the letter which was issued in my favor as a sanctioned teacher, suppose if it is issued in my name alone, then they can say it is a fake. But it was issued in the name of 3 teachers together. It cannot be a fake teacher. If that is fake, then the entire sanction.
Next, another affidavit filed by, last affidavit filed by the state.
Last affidavit filed by the government, they're saying consular affidavit. But in that affidavit, again he has taken a new grounds. Means the affidavit contradicts the government. The affidavit filed by the government, private respondent, is contradict each other.
Okay, how does
Because in para 9. In para 9 of the affidavit,
it contradicts.
It contradicts because it is.
Para 9.
He said the deponent begs to submit the petitioner file and RTI applications.
Para 9? Or last affidavit?
Last affidavit.
There's no para 9.
No. Paragraph number 9 is there. 1789. This affidavit was filed on 24. 24.
File on?
Paragraph number 9.
One second.
They are saying now.
It was filed on? 4th.
4th, yes.
Hmm?
Date is not mentioned. It is filed by the officers Amulus D. Sangma.
Yes, okay.
He said the deponent father begs to submit the petitioner file and RTI applications.
9.
They're just telling about me that I filed an applications. 1/9/2022 sought some clarification. In pursuance of it, an RTI information was furnished by letter dated 2/9/2022 by one administrative cum account officer, wherein it is mentioned all the teachers' name and the teams status, where the 6 teachers and 2 teachers, 3 teachers are shown as sanctioned teachers, and the remaining 3 as non-sanctioned teachers. It is further begs to state that the alleged administrative cum account officer SSA West Garo Hill is not the public information officers Thereby, the alleged information obtained by the petitioner dated so and so cannot be taken into consideration because of the district school education officers, West Garo Hill is the public information officers. This is the information, this is the constituted affidavit file. With this is the only paragraph they have stated. So this is the information obtained subsequently.
So now 3 faction teachers means you are there and your name. Your name is not there.
They are saying, but I am already there. In fact, they have to show the initially the sanction teacher issued by the in favor of.
Yes.
They say the district mission coordinator is the person who can give the correct informations. It means all those affidavits filed by the concerned officers, they were not conversant with the facts. They themselves saying is the district mission coordinator is the only persons. So on the last hearing, what I have prayed that the inquiry to be conducted by the district mission coordinators.
Only one thing, Mr. Qureshi, is that you have not challenged all these. Only thing that's just a narrative of all what's happened in the school, which is very unfortunate, but no doubt. And
because I never knew that they will come with such kind of allegations.
Can you imagine there are 9 affidavits filed in one teacher's 9 upon petition.
And all the affidavits is contradicting each other. The statement made in the one affidavit, officer maybe not knowing said something else. In first affidavit, they said it's a fake. Second
Yes,
affidavit.
Mr. Hazarika, how do you reconcile all this?
Sir, my lord, we have filed this as per the honorable court order.
Yes, sir, file consolidated to get the clear picture.
And moreover, this writ petitioner suppressing the fact.
Suppressing or suppressing the
yes,
fact?
It will
We don't
come,
know.
my lord. Suppressing the fact that she is continuing in the service because writ petition filed in 22. Whereas from 21, she was from May 21 to at the time of filing the writ petition, she was not there as per our inquiry, my lord. So, I will go to my.
See, there's one thing regarding that affidavit filed by you, additional affidavit filed on 29th March 2023. At para 5, where you talk about spot inquiry, where
Yes.
2 registers were produced.
Yes.
First register showing that a petitioner is present from 1st of January 2019 to
Yes.
March 21. And second register, name's not there, and that register
No,
is up to
there
11.
is 2 register, my lord. One is filed by the previous headmaster. In the register is with me, my lord. 2 teacher name, Afzal Haq and the Afruza.
Yes.
They have signed up to 21, April 21, my lord.
March 21.
Then second register
No,
was.
now coming back, see whether this court can go into the root of the matter with regard to the appointment.
Yes. Here, my lord, second register is showing that Afruza was absent from 19. If you taken into consideration the first, these 2 registers, still she was not in the school, my lord. So our contention is that as she is continuously absent, so she is not entitled for any salary.
Where is the termination order or the
Termination order they have met by this managing committee, my lord.
Where is that? Last affidavit. Okay, let me hear him. Yes.
September 2022.
Yes, additional affidavit.
The termination letter we have enclosed it.
Which annexure?
Annexure 4.
Page?
Page 22.
Now, after you terminate, did you get approval?
Our contention is that she is not the approved teacher. In the first affidavit you received, we had issued the SOCOS also in the first affidavit, dated 6/2022.
Para?
There are 7 you also.
Yes.
So, the moment the writ petitioner filed the writ petition, we immediately filed our affidavit, and we have brought to the notice of the Honorable Court regarding this SOCOS notice, which she has not replied. And thereafter, we terminated. After inquiry being conducted. From our record, your worship, she is absent from duty since June 2019.
Okay. So now the fact is that she didn't go to school, you didn't contest the proceedings also?
Lordship, in this case, I have already stated that I was prevented from going to school.
No,
Now, suppose
the SOCOS issued to you doesn't mean prevented.
it
I'm
means
not talking about attending school.
Attending
I'm talking
school-
about whether you appear the proceedings and
no, we have not received any such letters regarding any explanation or anything. But the question is that the question here is the sanctioned teacher. Court is rightly said.
see, if you don't go to work, sanctioned, unsanctioned, or upon management committee, that means you're out. They have a right, the schools to run, they have a right to drop proceedings against you.
No,
and so they said that, no, they say that in their...
In their affidavit, they say this. This is the letter we have never received. Because
yes,
this is a manipulation done by the managing committee because of Tosubuddin only. Because if suppose my status as a sanctioned teacher remains, now what the learned friend is saying that since I'm not a sanctioned teacher, that's what we have initiated in actions. The managing committee appointed me, and the managing committee can remove me.
Here. 9. How many you filed? 3 affidavits. And you filed 2 rejoinders.
Yeah, 2
3, 4, 5, and you filed 4 affidavits. I don't think any other government case the state respondent filed 4 affidavits. Even to file 1 also great difficulty.
Yes.
Because, here, my lord, they are raising some question. So regarding some this thing, so court also asking. So that is the reason to clarify that point.
But the thing is that, Mr. Qureshi, the only difference
Lordship, my submission.
in your case is what?
Lordship, my submission
You
is
have
that.
have you mentioned about the proceedings in your petition?
No.
You have suppressed everything. You have not said anything about the only annexed orders of the court
The question
whereby
is,
you were paid under contempt. You have not said anything about the developments, that before you came to court.
Lordship,
that you issued show cause.
That was
Lordship,
if I clarify, it was not required because why? The managing committee.
If it's not required, everything.
No, not required means not that the situation did not happen at that point of time when I filed the petitions. Because the managing committee, I have in one of my paragraph very critically stated.
Let's see
when there was a change of managing committee.
When was the show cause issued? That is, at para 7 of your AO dated 26/22.
One.
It should be. Yes, okay. Page number 25.
Then you have to show that it is sent to me.
25. Where is the table? No. Which one?
Page number 25, Annexure D.
Of the affidavit 22.
Yes, first affidavit. 26/2020.
Okay, 26/22. Annexure B?
D.
Oh, D.
That is 28 November 2021.
Yes.
And then other one is on 3rd April 2022.
After filing a petition only.
No, he didn't file a petition then.
Even after your lordship, when we filed the affidavit, then also they could have what, and they could have replied. If their contention is that they have not received.
See, why have you not suppressed all this, Mr. Qureshi?
Lordship, the affidavit.
Why have you suppressed all this?
No, suppression.
Why have you suppressed all this? Why are you seeking to obtain further orders from the court?
No.
I mean, you will obtain by on the strength of early orders as contempt and all.
Lordship, I just
Your factum of your appointment, we're going to dismiss writ petition.
No.
On what ground?
No.
On grounds of suppression.
No,
and
suppression.
you come with clean hands, and
No,
then
no.
you come with an innocuous prayer for salary when your entire basis of appointment attending school is under a dark cloud.
Let me clarify.
Why don't you clarify in the petition itself?
The day when I filed the writ petitions.
Take down, yes.
The day when I filed a writ petition,
They did
Lordship.
not make us party also. Managing committee
No.
was not even party.
In this writ petition?
That previous writ petition.
Lordship, in this case, my submissions.
Yes.
My submission
We
is
have heard
that
you.
they said the district mission coordinator is the person's. Lordship, if I can say before disposing, let the inquiry be conducted by the district mission commissions and send the report to the court. On the basis of that, the person may be disposed of.
We'll dispose writ petition now only. Yes.
District mission coordinator is the person can make an inquiry. They are also relying on the district mission coordinator also. Then the whole thing will be
for
clarified.
non-existent teachers.
The whole thing will be
Does not
clarified
arise.
regarding the sanction, non-sanctions, everything will be clarified.
Yes, sir. Take down the writ petitioner. Who the writ petitioner is before this court with a simple and innocuous prayer for release of salary with effect from May 2021 till date. Stop next paragraph. The brief facts are that the petitioner was appointed by the school managing committee of Pabomari, P-A-B-O-M-A-R-I, Girls Upgraded UP School, West Garo Hills, on 27/2/2010, and provisional approval was then granted on 17/1/17. Stop. By order dated 18/9/2018, the petitioner then was approved as a sanctioned teacher teaching language. Stop. It appears that on her salary not being released with effect from 1/4/2018, the petitioner had preferred WPC number 464 of 2018, which was disposed of by this court by order dated 3/12/2018, with a direction that the managing committee of the school was to ensure the payment of salary to the petitioner with effect from 1/4/2018 till August 2018. Stop. Accordingly, it appears though the petition to resort to final contempt applications, the salary of petitioner was released till and could be paid till
June.
Till May.
Till May 2021.
And that since June 2021, the salary has been stopped. On a perusal of the facts as placed by the petitioner, and as noted above, the period seems innocuous and bereft of any other facts apart from the court orders of which the petitioner had been favored with stuff. Next paragraph. Interestingly, on the appearance of the respondents and filing of the respective affidavits, which the following affidavits, a Pandora's box has been opened, inasmuch as in the first government affidavit filed on 9/5/2022, at para 5 and 6 thereof, it has been stated that the petitioner is not a sanctioned teacher, and if salary is to be paid, that was to be paid from the resources of the managing committee. Stop. Further, by another additional affidavit filed on behalf of state respondents on 29/7/2022, at para 2 thereof, it has been categorically stated again that the approval of the petitioner's appointment dated the approved letter of the petitioner's appointment dated 18/9/2018 is a fake. Stop. Further, by another additional affidavit filed on 29/3/2023, it is stated therein that a spot inquiry had been conducted in the school which revealed that there were 2 registers maintained, comma, the first register where the petitioner's names recorded to be present was for the period January 2019 to March 2021, and the second register where the petitioner's name does not appear was for the period from June 2019 to November 2022. Stop. Stop. Next paragraph. At this stage, at this juncture, it is at this juncture the rejoinders filed by the writ petitioner to these affidavits also are to be examined, inasmuch as though averments have been made in the affidavit state respondents that the appointment was fake, on an RTI application filed by the writ petitioner, the information provided was that the appointment was genuine. And further, by another joinder filed by the writ petitioner. It is alleged at para 7 that as per information received, the appointment of one teacher, namely Procecuted Ahmed, is fake. Stop. To this development, a further additional affidavit was filed by the government respondents on 4/4/2024 that the information received by the writ petitioner had been supplied by unauthorized persons, unauthorized officers, when it was the district.
District mission coordinator is the PA.
Whereas it should have been, in any information provided should have been by the district mission coordinator,
not the administrative,
and not the administrative officer from where the writ petitioner obtained information. Stop. Next paragraph. Added to this confusing scenario is the affidavits filed by the manual committee where the first being filed on, this is just as per my note, I'm not looking at any of the materials, the first being on 2nd of June 2022, where it has been where clarification received from the retired joint director of school education literacy to the effect that the writ petitioner was never approved during his tenure in office. Stop. In the same affidavit at para 7 thereof, it has been stated that show cause was issued on 28/11/2021 and again on 2021, which however the petitioner did not reply to. Stop. Next. By an additional affidavit filed on 22/9/22, the manual committee has annexed at Annexure 4 the termination of the writ petitioner from service. 22/9. Yes. Annexure 4. Toma. Dated 23/8/2022. And further yet by another additional affidavit filed on 30/10/2023. Just navigating these affidavits is a nightmare. Filed on 30/10/2023. At annexures, where's that? G. At annexures. G. Annexures G. H. I and J. Sorry, forget that. Is it? At annexure J, a document has been annexed issued by the block mission coordinator that is set to Fishuddin Ahmed, to whom the petitioner said had been reappointed, is shown as one of sanctioned teachers. Stop. Next paragraph. In the backdrop of these facts, this court first will examine as to the prayer made out in the writ petition of the petitioner, which, as observed earlier, relates only to release of salary. Stop. Next paragraph. No, not that. This back, but I backdrop that come later. Next. Mr. M.F. Qureshi, learned counsel of the petitioner, has maintained his ground that the petitioner has come before this court on the strength of her being an approved sanctioned teacher, and as such had made a prayer only for release of salary, and did not consider it necessary to mention the other attendant facts and circumstances.
Because that was not available at that time.
What? No, your show cause was available with you, Mr. Qureshi.
No,
please,
after
please
what
don't
I-
submit, please. Enough. Yes. Will disrupt the thinking process. Tom, no? And it's considered necessary to mention the other attendant facts and circumstances which have been brought on record by the state respondents as well as the managing committee. He submits that this court earlier, having ordered for release of the salary of the teacher, it was incumbent upon the respondents to abide by the same, as the writ petitioner continues to be a teacher in a said school, though he also submits that has not been able to attend the school since June 2021 due to the inimical attitude of the managing committee towards her. Next paragraph. Ms. H. Zarika, Learned Government Advocate, has placed reliance on the affidavits filed. And any other submission? You have no other submission. of this file with regard to the career path of the writ petitioner, wherein her basis of very appointment is in doubt. Stop. Mr. S. Pandit, on behalf of respondent number 6, Magic Committee, has submitted that apart from other facts, the writ petitioner never attended to school, nor did she take part in nor did she reply to the show cause file, which therefore has resulted in her termination. In the backdrop of these facts, this court first has examined the prayer, and as observed earlier, is simple and made only and has prayed only for release of the salary from May 2021. Stop. The writ petitioner, it is distressing to note, has not brought before the court the facts surrounding her case, as also especially the show cause which had been issued to her, as well as the show cause issued to her on 28/11/2021, as well as the termination, nor has these orders been put to challenge. Stop. Further, though the petitioner may have had a case with regard to as to her appointment and to its validity, has nowhere in the pleadings raised this point, in spite of the fact of being well aware as to the exact situation prevailing with regard to her service, which is evidenced by the submissions of the counsel for the petition itself, who has submitted that the writ petitioner could not attend school since June 2021. So, in the fact circumstances of the case and in the pleadings, the petitioner, having chosen not to even assail the orders which have been issued against her, or to show grounds to maintain her stand as to her appointment being made in regular fashion, in a considered view of this court, is not entitled in relief by the present petition, and the same is dismissed. Yes.
43.
Marshal.
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, this matter is all about dumping of soil into my agricultural land.
Yes.
I start.
Where's Dr. Moizika? They are the main respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You take a chance out of vacation.
Lordship, if it is possible, let this matter come on Friday, Lordship, because
Friday, no.
this is the agriculture land, Lordship.
Friday is not a good day.
Lordship,
okay, take a chance on Monday.
Monday.
On
10, Lordship, if it is possible. On 10.
Why are you very busy?
No, Lordship.
No, take a chance on 11 then.
11.
Apply a lot.
45.
Yes. Who's appearing? Archival General.
Is he coming?
You've seen the records. You know, there's no, what do you say? There's no, you can say any favoritism or manipulation whatsoever. I've got the entire record. The only thing is that don't have policy on policy on record. Correct. And what happened is that the first, and this was by applications because it's a master in dentistry, right? So the other application came first, other came second, and so that's the thing. And they already released the seat. So in this case, I think the state will have to arrange another seat for the private respondent.
Which is in fact they are referring to a case law. That case law provides, of course, that is not to do with the dental seats.
Whatever
that they have the power. The court has the power to direct for accommodation, either in the same year or the next year.
One thing, you are appearing for the state, will direct for accommodation in the next session for the private respondent.
That's equitable,
if it's acceptable. Mr. Pass, acceptable? You take instructions. That's the order because there's no. Yes, you can see there's no from the part of the government. There's been no what do you call it any arbitrary action. It's only that the application came first and this respondent came later with his application along with another person saying that they have this need cause. And so that's, and this other person's already been vested the right since they already admitted. And as it stands also, they have already cancelled your admission. I mean, the dentist college have retained the petitioner. Yes. Mr. Advocate General,
yes,
court's gone through the records.
Yes, Milan.
And the records reflect that there's no problem. There's no arbitrariness. There's nothing. Okay. Only that you don't have a policy in place.
Yes, Lordship.
About how the list is to be done.
Yes, Lordship. What
so this court proposes that.
I request your Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Direction that if there is 105, you arrange a seat for them the next session.
Yes, my lord. That is also that will.
It's unfair to
yes,
both
the parties, including to petitioner and the meritorious candidate.
Right. Absolutely. And I've seen the record. There's no arbitrary nothing. Only that
there are two lists. They have sent two lists at two different times.
Exactly. And after the first one has been released,
yes, I have
allotted the seat.
What I wanted, my lord, in judicial order, if it can come, because it will prod the government also.
No, they have to make a policy that before you release the seat, let the list.
Let all the lists be there. That your lordship may incorporate. So once judicial direction is
otherwise, but
every year we face problem.
Mr. Pasantev, we'll list it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. Yes, do you take instruction whether will the path direction that he accommodated, like not set a precedent in the next
and
session.
There is a Supreme Court judgment supporting what your lordship is saying. Yes. That in ASA versus in ASA there is a judgment of ASA. I'll give the judgment.
I've relied on it. I've relied on it.
That judgment says.
Because I wanted to record. I thought maybe, but the entire
because there is a bona fide error.
Bona fide error.
That I have seen.
I've seen that entire
That's why
record.
I'm also not earlier. I thought that that's why I was defending earlier. But when I went through the record, I realized that it is a bona fide error.
Yeah, they accepted and
yes,
and they sent that girl for.
Yes. That's why I thought
then again to cancel.
That's why first date I appeared. I went through the record and then I.
No, I've seen the record. That's why even it's been noted that now they have to come up with a SOP. How.
It has to be evolved. It has to be evolved.
And you can't have to just to say that that.
And that
to say that what happened was.
If the respondent number 3 can and that direction can be passed by in terms of the.
See, you pass on 2022. So one more year you can start happily keep on earning in your practice. You take instructions.
I would have in fact also pointed out, I had spoken to Mr. Nongri that it could have been done this year itself, but the timeline is 30th of October. But that is for MBBS seats. MD seats,
No, MD
not for dental.
But is it available?
No, I
but they
don't.
made an effort also.
They
have
wrote to the
requested
government
also
because
for
we do not
additional
have
seat
power because
from the
we don't
same
have
college, residential college.
We don't
But
have
then they
power.
said
Not possible.
Not possible.
They've requested for a seat, but then they said that we don't have the
It's-
power.
we
Even
don't have
another,
power. We don't
they've
have power.
approached two institutions as per the records for allotment of an MDS seat to give to the private respondent.
That will have to come from the Dental Council of India.
No, that will
No.
seat. This is all
Seat
in
quota
the central
system.
quota. It's a central quota. That matter also I handled in 2012 in Supreme Court because Supreme Court examined
so
this entire.
they don't have the power to
They
do
don't,
that.
we don't have power. We don't.
Mr. Nongri, see, the thing is that, courts, just repeating, examine the records, and there's no arbitrariness also. You are just, a collateral damage, because you went later. So the thing is that if it's acceptable, you take instructions from your client, we'll direct that you be accommodated next session.
In fact, my list has come out, my lord, on 2nd of July. The second list. Her allotment is, my lord, thereafter.
No, you see, process was much before. I've gone to the records, I've gone to the records minutely. I've even made notes here also. When did the letter come? When did letter
Everything
come?
was done
When the
before.
list given 7 years? Everything was done before. That is the problem. So only thing is that you take instructions, you take a seat next year, court will pass orders.
Yes.
Because he passes.
This year, my lord, will be a different NEET exam, my lord, and then.
No.
Direction.
No,
issued
direction
by
from
the
this
court.
court. That because to balance equities, because they also invested right, and you also.
Yes, sir.
He's already passed in 22. He can earn another year and go and join. It's a special case. We will, we'll pass orders because you can't deprive you also nor this person. They have vested the right. You can't attend classes since July.
So these are directions. Either you fill in this
Tomorrow.
year or the following year. So these are the directions.
Correct.
Or if you want next week, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, madam. Next week I won't be here.
This is a matter for the hearing tomorrow. We will record that. Just give the decision.
Yes, ma'am.
It's there in the list of books, my lord. This is
Paragraph mark. Only that paragraph. So many things are there.
2012 7 SCC 389, para 38.2 and 38.3.
2012?
2012 7 SCC.
Yes.
389.
Yes.
And what is the relevant paragraphs? 38.2, 38.3.
Another thing, Mr. Arpisan, off the record. Now, the court's in the process of releasing the judgment on Komarchand.
Yes.
And then now I'm informed that para 34, 38 has been stayed by the Supreme Court.
But my case was based independent of, because their Komarchand was not based on CRPC notification, my lord. My case is also based on CRPC notification. Komarchand judgment has nothing to do with the CRPC notification.
Now you see this big Supreme Court. Now we can't release the judgment also.
Your lordships can't write because Komarchand is not the basis for my because all those trials are held up, my lord. And
You are appearing there, Mr. Nongri, also.
And all those what they can, my friend can.
Can we just, because then that's just instructed, my lord, is to, the order has not come out. That's the problem.
No, what we can do, my lord, that I will request Mr. Themis to, once the order is out of the Honorable Supreme Court, we will place it formally before, and we will argue whether that has effect or not. Then your lordship may take a view on that based. That because once it has come.
Because very simple. The judge held up. The thing is that it's just we have to follow Komarchand and it's over.
That was a simple.
On the part of the
Yes,
court.
that was
Division
simple.
bench will be binding.
Yes,
but now Supreme Court has stated that para 34 with regard and with regard to jurisdiction.
Yes,
that
my
is
lord.
why.
No, actually, I went through the YouTube hearing, and what again, because they read paragraph, it was being argued paragraph 4, my lord, paragraph 5, and the same Melvin judgment was read, where Melvin judgment was based on the premise that there is no notification under CRPC, and there was a notification conferring power on the district and session.
Can this court
that was
venture there and give a interpretation Supreme Court order of the state this that is para 34, because it touches on the very aspect of
becomes-
jurisdiction. It is not touching on the particular facts of the case.
No, because in that it was clearly said in unequivocal terms, the Supreme Court said that since there is no notification under CRPC, A, and B, that the notification has been issued under para 5 conferring jurisdiction on the district and session.
That's a full-fledged analysis again.
Yes.
But the thing is that, so I do not know.
We are again back to square one.
We're hanging.
Because the effect is that we have got now 11 district session and judges and district and session judges.
Yes.
And in Garo Hills, in Jantia Hills, we do not have even district council courts. And there is no conferment also. There is no
That is why
and
if the state is so intent that the district,
no, because
and then you take away the
I
conferment.
I spoke to law secretary also. I spoke because
in fact of just renewing the conferment of powers. Take it away.
No, one more problem. Election is round the corner, my lord. That is also political compulsion. We can't touch these subjects now. Also, that's.
I'm thankful. I was informed, Mr. Mamlok, that this matter was heard and that judgment has been.
It's not uploaded, but probably we are also looking at.
The moment the order is uploaded, we'll list it.
Yes, my lord. Yeah, once the order is uploaded, so that whatever is there, we have to go, or we can await also. We do that. We can do also, my lord. If we have waited so long,
I don't want to venture to be adventurous and try to give interpretation. Then the
I don't want
also
also
this matter. It has been stayed by the Supreme Court, and this judge goes and distinguishes it and disposes of the matters.
We will not do that. We will not. It's better we can await the outcome also. If once the order is placed, because we have waited so long, let the air be cleared about and once there is a final and authoritative judgment by Supreme Court, things will be clear. Either we have to go to district council court or we have to go to the regular, whatever.
Otherwise, I was making it.
Yeah, I think that's a fair approach also in view of whatever development has taken place. The Lordship may once the order is out, we will mention, and then next week it can be.
Kindly mention it. The moment is out. Yes.
Once order is, because just now Mr. Themis told me, so I checked also.
I've asked my law clerk to keep a tab. We
are also now once.
Right.
Supplementary list.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, this instant writ petition, my lord. I am the petitioner, I am the pharmacist who participated in the recruitment, my lord.
One second.
Yes, my lord.
Let me see the. What medical services?
My lord?
Pharmacist.
Pharmacist, my lord. My lord, I come before this honorable court with a limited ground, my lord. The rule of the game has changed by the respondents, my lord, during the midway of the recruitment, my lord. That is the only ground, my lord. Kindly, my lord, come to, my lord, the advertisement, my lord. Advertised was issued on 19/7/2024, my lord. Page 15, my lord. Page 15. In the said advertisement, the Health Department, Government of Meghalaya, has distributed the post, my lord, district-wise. The district-wise breakup of the post will be as below. Number 8, serial number 8 is the West Garo Hills, my lord. West Garo Hills having 3 number of vacancies, my lord, for pharmacist.
You are with Garo Hills?
My lord, yes, my lord. And
where's pharmacist? 3?
3, my lord, yes. For West Garo Hills, total 3 vacancy, 3 posts. And in the next page, advertisement, page number 16, this is very important, my lord. At para 13, my lord. Para 13, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
The post of the district above will be filled up by the candidates belonging to the particular district as declared by them in the application form. In case where there are no eligible candidates from the particular district, then the vacant post of that district will be filled up by candidates from amongst the general merit list irrespective of their permanent residential address.
Okay, yes.
This is the rule they have set up, my lord. Now, my lord, accordingly, the process of recruitment in two steps, my lord, in two ways. First, written exam. After qualifying the written exam for 80 marks, the candidates, successful candidates have to sit for practical exam for 20 marks. In 20 marks
Now
exam.
80 marks is
80 marks is the written, my lord, written
and
test.
20 is practical.
20 for the, since the pharmaceuticals, they have to, in the, given a practical exam in the laboratory, my lord. That exam is for 20 marks. And in the 20 marks exam, the state respondent has at para 10 set out the cutoff for the practical. Para 10, my lord, of the advertisement, page 16.
Yes.
Score of 8 for the practical exam, my lord. There will be a cutoff of score of 8 marks. So I have secured in practical exam 11 marks, my lord. And in the written exam, 47 marks, my lord.
Okay, 47
so
and
47 and 11.
11 practical.
Is that 58, my lord.
Okay.
So now thereafter, after attending the practical exam, the state respondent has issued and published the final select list for appointment on 28/11.
Where is that?
My lord, yes, my lord. At page 30, my lord, annexure 7, page 30, my lord, yes. Number 4, pharmacist. Serial number 1 to 21 will be the selected candidates, my lord. Next page is the list, my lord. May I read, my lord? Final list of candidates who successfully secured pass mark in written examination and practical examination in order of merit. Candidates at serial number 1 to 21 are hereby declared as eligible candidates for appointment to the post of pharmacist on contractual basis as advertised, white number so-and-so, dated so-and-so. Now, these 21 candidates were selected, my lord,
yes,
for appointment, and appointment will be issued from today, 4th December to 18th December. Now, as per the advertisement, the district-wise merit list has to be prepared, my lord.
Yes.
This merit list, this 28/11/2024, prima facie, it reflects that the state-wise merit list has been prepared and published by the state respondent. The rule has set up by the state respondent, and during the midway of the recruitment, they have changed it, my lord, which is impermissible and hit by arbitrariness, my lord. And because, my lord, in West Garo Hills, there is a 3 post, and there is 4 candidates who have qualified for the practical exam. Out of 4 candidates, 1 candidate has failed, my lord. So 3 candidates had qualified.
Who are those candidates from West Garo Hills?
Yes, my lord. At page 29, my lord, page 29, annexure 6, my lord. This is the result of the practical examination, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, yes, my lord. My lord, come to page 28, my lord. There is the final list they have prepared. Annexure 5, page 28, final list they have prepared. The eligible candidates who will sit for the practical exam. At page 28, Tura Civil Hospital, Tura, this serial number.
For West Garo only.
Yeah, no, my lord. This center is for entire Garo Hills, my lord. South Garo Hills candidate also give exam in Tura center.
So this number 9 posts are there, you said?
9 candidates.
9 candidates from Garo Hills region, my lord. 9 candidates they are eligible for practical exam.
For Garo Hills, how many candidates are there?
Total for West
Garo Hills post, how many?
Total post for West Garo Hills is.
Garo Hills 2.
Yes, my lord.
2, then North Garo Hills 2, 3.
Yes, my lord.
Then South Hills 1.
Southwest 1,
4,
yes, my lord.
5, 8.
Yes, my lord. I am concerned with West Garo Hills, my lord. Okay. West Garo Hills is 3, my lord. Vacancy is 3. So now for West Garo Hills, there are total 4 candidates. Number 3 at page 28, Moinul Haq, Inamul Haq, the petitioner.
Moinul Islam.
Sorry, Moinul Islam, my lord. I'm deeply sorry, my lord. Then number 6, Tahir Hussain. And then number 8, Rahul Islam. There's total 4 candidates from West Garo Hills.
There's no reservation.
There is no averment to that effect in the writ petition.
My lord, because I have no, my lord, record, my lord, exact, my lord.
So then,
my lord, that as per my instruction from the petitioner.
But that has to be there in the affidavit.
Yes,
only then only I can verify.
What regarding roster?
My lord,
what my friend is saying that these candidates, one or whatever candidates they are, he is saying he is from West Garo Hills.
Yes.
Now, but there is no. He is making oral submission. There is nothing in the writ petition indicating that they are from.
That, my lord, I'll just short reply. In advertisement page 16, para 13, declared by them in the application form. Application form is important, my lord, here. My application form at page 17, annexure 2.
No,
So records with the department.
I'm
my
not
lord.
disputing. I'm not disputing
that
that you are.
Other candidates.
What about other candidates? How do I know?
Where the other from? Where are they from?
My lord, yes,
that
my
we
lord.
have to take instruction, my lord.
As per the instruction I've received from my
And
client.
at least he should put on the affidavit that these candidates are from West Garo Hills, which you are saying, alleging that.
So, my lord, if we leave aside this argument also, my lord, the rule of the game has changed, my lord. The as per para 13 of the.
See, something.
Yes, my lord.
See, this just come number 1, Srijota Hajong.
Yes, my lord.
She's one of the selected candidates at number 7. Then Nasina Abdin.
Narsina Abdin, yes, my lord.
She's at number 16.
Yes, my lord, number
then
16.
Moinul Islam.
Moinul Islam is?
Okay, he's not there.
My lord is looking at page, my lord.
Page 31.
I'm comparing 31
So
and 28.
successful candidate.
My lord. Yes, my lord.
Then
Yes, my lord.
Chirak Marak, number 4.
Yes, my lord.
Then Doji Koch, number 5 on top. Then
Yeah, these candidates are.
Rahul Islam's number 9. They already filled, already 3 are gone.
They are
from there.
above you.
Above you. All 3 of them are there above you, even if
My
they are
lord,
appointed, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Then?
My lord, the only requirement here is, my lord.
No. See,
My-
Mr. Hassan.
Yes, my lord.
See, just 3 names. That Trijuta Hajong.
Yes,
you
my
think
lord.
she's from there, yes.
Yes.
Then you say that Rahul Islam is from there also.
Yes, my lord.
He's been selected.
Yes, my
Then
lord.
this Nasrin Abdin is selected.
Yes, my lord. Nasrin
Then
Abdin.
this Tahir Hussain also selected.
Yes, my lord.
Then there's 4. How many are there?
My lord, the only concern with regard to the West Garo Hills at Tura.
No.
Yes, my lord.
Chingrak Marak.
They are all meritorious above you.
My lord, I'm not arguing on their merits, my lord. The list could have prepared on district wise as per the advertisement, my lord. My lord, that is only the ground, my lord.
You get instruction, we'll have to.
I will
My
take
lord,
instruction.
my
I will
only
take
humble
instruction.
prayer, my
I'll
lord.
take
Because
instruction.
from today on 4th December.
Doesn't matter, we will be.
He's
nothing
not
will-
qualified.
otherwise-
He's at the serial number 30.
No, my lord, there is no question of. I've passed, my lord. I passed, my lord.
Yes, of course you have passed.
My lord,
Please
my-
listen, Mr. Hassan.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Hassan, Council President issue notice, Mr. London Alfred General with so-and-so's presence on behalf of Column for the notice required stuff. The grievance of the petitioner is that though he is a selected candidate wherein his name appears at serial number
30, my lord.
30 in the select list. 30.
Yes, my lord. 30.
He's at serial number 30.
Inamul Haq.
Inamul Haq. Yes, my lord.
30 in the select list for the post of pharmacist, of which 3 have been allocated to West Garo Hills, to which he belongs. No offer appointment has been made to him. Stop. It is further submitted that the ground of challenge is due to the fact that, as per the advertisement,
Yes, my lord.
at clause 13, it has been.
Your Lordship, what my friend is saying, the rule of the game has been changed. Kindly see, there is no change in the rule of the game. There is no change.
I want to see.
Yes, what he says, there is no change, my lord.
Yes, there is change. Why?
3 posts, the posts of the district should be filled up by candidates belonging to the particular district itself.
Correct.
And that as he is from West Garo Hills,
My only
and being
contention,
qualified,
merit
he
list should be
in
prepared
constitution
district wise, my
form.
lord.
Stop. Then application Mr. The Archivist, please him now to obtain instruction. That's the matter day after tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
You'll be here day after tomorrow?
I'll do it online. I will take instruction. my lord.
Particular instruction, my lord. How many candidates from the West Government?
I'll take instruction.
Yes, if there are 4 or 5 candidates already above.
My lord, my only contention is a district-wise selection list should be prepared, my lord. Only that is, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
Yes. Wanted to mention for a matter, my lords, urgent education matter, if it could be taken up today, my lords.
You should have come in the morning.
My apologies, my lords. Tomorrow, if my lords may kindly accept it for tomorrow, my lords.
Tomorrow is already